Hello and welcome to the AWS Zero to Hero series. This series is designed specially for everyone who wants to learn AWS from scratch, no prior experience needed. So, in this video, we'll start at the very beginning on the AWS console page, and I'll personally guide you through the entire account setup process. It's super easy to follow, and truly anyone can try this. Best of all, it's completely free. So get started. There's no reason to wait behind. Step by step, I'll show you exactly what information you need to fill in and how to fill in correctly. This will help you avoid any mistakes or hiccups as you create your own account. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AWS account ready to explore and start your cloud journey with confidence. Let's dive in and get started. Your AWS adventure begins here. Right, so we are on the AWS Management Console page. What you have to do is you have to type aws.amazon.com/console on the address bar, and this page will pop up. And you have to log in into sign in console, and it will prompt you for asking account ID or IAM user. So now we are creating it, so we will be using a root user email. So that is the option below which we have to select, and it will take us to the next page. So the moment we select the last one, which is sign in using root user email, we have to sign up with AWS. Now for signing up, what is required? The first thing is my email ID. So I've entered my email ID, and then your account name. You have to use any account name for referring your account details. So that is ready for industry for me. I have entered that, verified my email ID. My email ID will get an verification code. So I'll have to check and then enter the right verification code. The moment you use the wrong one, it will not authenticate. After verifying, it will ask you to put your password. So password should be all standard format, which is your uppercase, lowercase, combination of characters, numbers, 8-letter words. So all these things you need to take care and then proceed to the next step. The moment you move on to the next step, it will open up for asking either you want to go for a paid or free. So right now we will be just exploring, so we'll be using the free plan. The moment we move on to the next page, it gives a big lot of information where I have to enter all the contact information, my full name, yeah, and then my contact details, my address, my pin code, my city, country, everything I have to add, yeah. And this I've just passed it for confidentiality. And moving forward, it will also ask me my telephone number, which I have to enter my telephone number. And yeah, one thing you also have to make it sure that the address should be of certain limit, because the first line should not be a hell lot of statement putting there. So this is the error which it is showing me because it was more. You reduce that and then update your address. So once you have updated your address, the next step is your billing address. So billing address will be that of your credit card which we'll be using here. So you'll enter your details, you'll enter your card details, and then it will authenticate that the card information which you have entered, is it right or wrong. Now once you have entered that, the card, it will debit 2 rupees. This is a standard authentication process where it gives you an OTP, and you enter your OTP, and it confirms that the card detail which you have entered is the right one. Yeah. And then, yeah, as I was saying, 2 rupees will be deducted, but you will get that 2 rupees back. So it is just free. And after signing on or off, after giving them the details, it is just about confirming your identity. So I'm individual and it's for personal use I'm using. So this you have to select it, and then the moment you use individual, it will ask you for your PAN card and your date of birth. So I was having my PAN card on my laptop. Most probably everyone is having it. So you just have to browse, explore where exactly is it, and then upload it here. So that is what I'm doing here. So in this, I have just uploaded my PAN card. Once it gets uploaded, it will take me to the next page. I'll have to agree. I'll have to give them the consent that you can go through and verify my PAN card details. Moving on to the next step. The moment I move on to the next step, literally everything is done. So my account is set up. The last thing is it will authenticate my phone number. So my phone number, is it right or wrong? I'll have to select the country code, then give them my number. They will give me a message which I'll have to key in here. Once I'll key in message, the code which I have received. So okay, so this is another, yeah, security verification that I'm not a robot, because that is where
Please
most of the
type the
time,
numbers you hear.
yeah, and I generally use audio because it avoids all the
9,
confusion.
1, 7, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, that's it, and I'll click submit. It's done. I'll get a verification code on my mobile number. I'll enter that number here, and I'll confirm that this is the number which I have received. After confirming, it will take me to the next step. And what is the next step? You're done. So your setup is complete. You have authenticated everything. You get a congratulations page that everything is done. Now you just have to explore your AWS console page. So in the next sessions, we'll be exploring it a bit more. But right now, it is just the landing page which we are showing how we have set up the account. We have just registered it. My account number is there. Account ID has been created. So what are the different zones? Why am I changing the zone from Arizona to, I'm just making it the default one, Delhi or Mumbai South Zone. So that is the only thing I'm doing here. That's it. Yeah, fantastic. And that's it for today's session. We have successfully created our AWS account and stepped into the AWS Management Console, the very first step in Zero to Heroes journey. Wasn't that interesting? And see, it was very, very simple, isn't it? Did we all learn something new today? This is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we are going to dive deeper into some exciting topics, from understanding the basics of containers, Dockers, Kubernetes, to working with EC2 instances, DevOps practices, and exploring both the application and infrastructure side of AWS. So if you enjoyed learning something new today, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because the next sessions are going to be even more fun and insightful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye for now.